Hello guys, this is the home page of a restaurant website I recently built, and the first thing we see is this menu, and I created this menu using the menu add-on from the Real Add-ons plugin, and so you can install it from the plugin in your dashboard, Real Add-ons. Now we are on the home page, and so we can see. So this is the social media call to actions, and this is a creative button urging you to take a decision. Now let's continue. Now we see this hook. Um, so my intentions were to inspire urgency and to just inspire this stand. So there's this rice served your favorite food. So let's continue. And this is another section, and I wrote a CSS code for this hypnosis effect. And more to it, this is a call to action. I purposely hit the call to action. It was my style. My intentions were to surprise anyone who wants to click it. So, and this is the CSS code for it. You can see it. That's how I made this hypnosis effect. So let's continue. And so this is another call to action. And so when we hover on it, we see effect. So let's continue. Try family also miss. And when we look closely, we can see this arrow is not fully connected. But when we scroll down, it connects. And so that's Lodicon widget at hand. I built it using Lodicon widget, and here is the code for it also. So basically, you can just go to the Lodicon widget site, and when you click on the SVG icon, they generate the code for you, so you can copy that and paste it into WordPress. But this is the code. So that's that. When we continue, this is a product carousel. I use the Woo carousel, which you can get from any add-ons or even on Elementor itself. So this will link you to the shop page to shop this product. So let's check for that product. Yes, you see. And so this is just a subset of the full quality assurance policy. We see more of it in the privacy policy page. So this is just a glimpse of our policies in this restaurant. So let's continue. So this is a filterable gallery. So that's it's just to entice the viewers to increase engagement. And whoa. Should we continue, or we should keep watching this man? Let's continue. Now there's something interesting. When I scroll up and I scroll down, we see this order your favorite food online text typewriting. When I scroll up again and I scroll down, it typewrites again. Basically, with normal code, it's just typewrites and it stops. But how I was able to make this was I used JavaScript, mixture of JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, and we could see the code here. So we could see the CSS first, and when we scroll down, we see HTML and we see JavaScript code. And so that's it. So that's how I was able to create that dynamic effect of retyping when you scroll away and when you scroll back. And so just beneath that, we have this news sticker, just like when you watch news, how that panel, how the information in that panel just scrolls across. And what's more interesting is that when you hover on it, it stops. When you remove the hover, it continues. You hover on it, it stops. So let's continue. And I used HTML to create this element, and this is the code for it. So that's it. So let's continue. So now right beneath that, we have this image over effect, and what it does is that when you hover on it, it shows you another version of that product. It's most beneficial when you want to show different views of a particular product. And so we see this chicken. This is telling us, okay, we have our discounts at this particular time. This is rice, and so we can use it for any purpose. So let's continue, and this is an extension of the about page. When we read more, it takes us to the about page. So let's continue, and this is our footer section. We see this guy on social, following us on social media. That's why I use the video to, for better engagement. It supports our customer care representative attending to customers, and this is when we click, you want to donate us 15,000 exactly, so we could submit exactly. So that's basically it. And another cool thing is we could change our language from English to French, change the entire page from English to French. So depending on your nationality, you can relate to this website, you can read this website, interact with this website, understand this website. And another user experience I added to this was the scroll to top. When we click this now, it takes us back to the top. We don't have to start manually using the scroll bar. No, no, no. We just go up. So that's basically it.